Paul Atwood, one stock you like in the Huntington Global Select Markets Fund is Vipshop. Now, Vipshop is a Chinese online retailer. It's up, I think, over 90% in the past year. But what takes it higher?
Okay, so Vipshop, as you mentioned, is an online retailer. It's really a play on the movement of the economy in China from more of a consumer-driven economy away a little bit more from the exports. They have roughly around 60 million online buyers. They are constantly introducing new products, and their average selling prices are actually increasing. So last year you had revenue growth of over 80%, along with earnings per share growth. I see revenue growth this year up over 70%, and I think that's going to be primarily driven by the higher ASPs.
And you're also bullish on KCE Electronics. This is a Thai-based circuit board maker. They sell a lot to Europe. So how are they going to do now that it seems like the euro has stabilized?
Yeah, that's right. That's part of what I like about it. Besides the valuation, which is very attractive, the stock trades at about 14 times earnings, about 18% to 20% revenue growth. They've just doubled capacity, so pretty secure revenue growth. In terms of Europe, which is a big portion of their revenue, I think that the stabilization in the euro that we've seen and potentially the stabilization in the European economies is going to be very beneficial. I don't think that's necessarily priced into the equity at 13 to 14 times earnings.
And then finally, you're positive on PT Tower Bersama. This is an Indonesian telecom play on the tower industry. You're going to have to tell me about that one. I'm not that familiar with telecom in Indonesia.
Yes, so PT Tower, they construct, operate, and lease cell towers for the telecom industry. Currently, they have 10,000 towers. They are looking to get to 15,000 this year. That's a 50% growth rate in towers. You have a population of 300 million in Indonesia. Fairly good cell phone penetration at this level. However, they are just starting to get into the smartphone devices, which is going to increase the data content, which obviously would play straight back into PT Tower. Huge earnings growth and revenue growth, return on equity over 40%, revenue growth over the last 12 months of 46% roughly. So I think a good long-term play and a great value.
All right, well, thanks a lot, Paul.
Thank you, my pleasure.
Thank you for watching The Street.